Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Today, let's talk about an ancient practice that can transform your health at any age. Tai Chi. Whether you're young and active or looking for a gentle way to stay fit, Tai Chi has something incredible to offer. So, what exactly is Tai Chi? It's a martial art that dates back to ancient China, blending gentle, flowing movements with controlled breathing. Imagine moving like water, effortlessly gliding through space. Sounds peaceful, right? That's Tai Chi in a nutshell. There are different styles of Tai Chi, but they all share the same core benefits. Yang style is the most popular, emphasizing large, fluid movements. Chen style, on the other hand, includes more dynamic and powerful techniques. No matter which style you choose, Tai Chi offers a holistic approach to well-being. Now let's dive into the health benefits. Tai Chi isn't just for the elderly. People of all ages can benefit. For the younger crowd, it boosts strength, flexibility, and coordination. It's like a secret weapon for your fitness routine, enhancing your performance in sports and daily activities. But that's not all. Tai Chi is also an amazing stress buster. The combination of mindful movement and deep breathing helps you focus, relax, and become more aware of your body. Studies have shown that regular practice can improve balance and reduce the risk of falls, especially in older adults. Plus, it's been linked to better cardiovascular health, improved sleep, and reduced pain from chronic conditions like arthritis. And let's talk mental health. Tai Chi's emphasis on mindfulness can alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. It's like giving your mind a soothing spa day. You become more emotionally balanced and less stressed, fostering a deep mind-body connection. So whether you're looking to boost your physical strength, improve flexibility, or find a new way to de-stress, Tai Chi is a fantastic choice. Give it a try and experience the incredible benefits for yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on living your best life from Peak Mind Provisions 369. Take care and keep moving like water.